Stop leaving your milk in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. If you know you're not going to use it, please freeze it immediately or within 24 hours or less. The longer your milk stays in the refrigerator, it can break down the nutrients. If you pump, you can leave your milk on the counter for up to 4 hours. This will allow you to feed your baby the freshest expressed milk possible. We also like to recommend rotating your freezer stash. You can do so as soon as possible, but definitely by the first 3 months, we want you to start rotating the stash. We know that the CDC has guidelines and you can definitely follow them, but it does not hurt to tighten up those protocols to allow you to preserve the most nutrients as possible. So if you found this information helpful, be sure to share it with a friend and follow Pump with Purpose for more breast pumping tips.